Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, today I'm going to teach you a technique that if you don't have a partner, you can talk to yourself guys. How to talk? Let's take a look everyone. Guys, you can see here, I have written here English conversation practice, simple present. I have taught you simple present and situational English, okay? You already know about what situational English is. So now what I have done is I have taken 10 questions, okay? And you can see that the question has been started with the help of do and does, because these are the helping verbs which are used for simple present activities, okay? So what you have to do is to ask questions with the helping verb. If you know all the tenses, write down some questions with the helping verbs of all the tenses. But as I have taught you only simple present, so I have started the questions with the help of do and does. So at least take 20, 50 or maybe 100 questions, depends on you. I have taken 10 questions to show you the demo. Now you can read this question. Here it is, do you smoke? The first question is, do you smoke? So if the question has been started with the help of helping verb, it means the answer has to be either positive or negative. It means if a person is asking, do you smoke? I can say either yes, I smoke, or I can say no, I don't smoke. So I have only two options, either positive or negative. So this is what you have to do. Ask a question to yourself like, do you smoke? And say positive, means your answer should be positive. Whether you smoke or you don't smoke doesn't matter. If you, because you are practicing to yourself, you're asking questions to yourself, so you have to ask, do you smoke? Then answer, yes, I smoke. Why I'm saying yes? Because when you say yes, I smoke, then there is a chance to ask several questions related to this smoking. If you say no, I don't smoke, then there would be only one question, that why don't you smoke? You cannot ask so many questions. So if you want a good conversation, so you have to ask so many questions related to one topic. So say yes, and after saying yes, start WH words like when, why, where, with whom, at what time, how many times, how often, from where, which type of, whose, how much, how many, how. There's so many WH questions words. They are WH words. Now the first question was, do you smoke? You have said yes, I smoke. Now think that which WH word is going to suit for next question. Could be why do you smoke, could be where do you smoke, could be with whom do you smoke. Start asking these questions and start replying. If you follow this, then you will have a good amount of conversation practice. This is what I want to teach you. No need of any partner. You don't need any partner. You can talk to yourself if you don't have a partner. And if you have a partner, suppose your wife wants to practice with you, your friend wants to practice with you, then ask your partner to ask you several questions and you have to reply. Then you ask several questions related to the topic and the person has to reply. Then you can have a good conversation practice. It could be in any tense. I have taught you simple present, so I have given the questions related to simple present. So without any further ado, let's get started guys. Okay, I hope you are not feeling bored. Come on. So the first question is, do you smoke? I'm going to practice. So I'm Chandan Singh and I'm asking questions to myself. Hi Chandan, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. What about you? Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. So do you smoke? Yeah, I smoke. Why do you smoke? See, I smoke because I like smoking. Why do you like smoking? I don't know why I like, but it gives me a kind of what should I say, spur. It spurs me. It it stimulates me. That's why I smoke. Okay. So how many cigarettes in a day do you smoke? See, I have not counted how many cigarettes I smoke a day, but it may be 5 cigarettes a day. Yeah, maybe 5 cigarettes a day. 5 cigarettes. Okay. So from where do you buy these cigarettes? I buy these cigarettes from cigarette kiosk, a kiosk where cigarette, beetle, and all those gutkas and all are sold. Okay. So how many times in a day do you smoke? See, as I told you that I smoke 5 cigarettes, so 5 times, of course. I smoke 5 times. Okay, okay, okay. So where do you smoke? I smoke sometimes at my home, sometimes in the office, and sometimes while going somewhere, on the road also I smoke. So why don't you quit smoking? See, I don't quit smoking because when I don't smoke, I don't know what happens to me. I become restless. That time I really need a cigarette. If I don't take even a puff of cigarette, I don't feel energetic. That's why I need a cigarette. So don't you think that it's really very bad for your health? It could be injurious to your lungs. I know everything. However, I am helpless. I can't do anything. See, I think you should consult a doctor. Okay, I would go for that. Okay, thank you very much. It was a nice conversation. Thank you. So, guys, you saw, just there was one question: do you smoke? And I created so many questions related to the same topic. And I answered. There was no partner. I asked questions to myself and I replied. So this is what you have to do. If you can do. And of course you can do. Now take another question. Do you play cricket? Yes, I play cricket. Okay. So do you like batting or bowling? I like batting. Why do you like batting? I like batting because, as far as I think, if you hit 4 or hit 6, people love it, and you can hit 4 or 6 easily. But if you are a bowler, it takes so much time to get one wicket. And batsmen are very much famous, if you talk about cricket, it could be any country, batsmen are very much famous compared to bowlers. As far as I think, I am telling you, Okay, fine. So, how often do you play? I play mostly on Sunday. Okay, so with whom do you play? I play with some of my friends and some of my neighbors. Okay, so where do you play? See, I play in a playground which is nearby my house. So whenever you go to play there, so is that playground only available for you, or you find other players also playing? See, that's not my personal playground, so I can never say that no, that playground is available for me. There are so many people who come play there, and there is a huge rush. Sometimes it happens like which ball is going where, it's very tough to understand whether it is my ball or it is the ball of some other person. It happens. Okay, fine. So after playing cricket, do you feel energetic? See, I feel energetic while playing cricket, but after playing cricket, I become exhausted, and I have to take a rest that time. Oh yeah, of course I can understand. Anyways, which bat do you use? I use blah blah bat. Oh, that's really great. Okay, thank you very much. It was a nice conversation. Thank you. So guys, you saw. So there are 10 questions. If you want, I can show you the demo on all the questions, but it's not good. It will take so much time. I hope you must have understood. Okay, let me try one more question here. Let's try. Do you love a girl? Okay, and this type of topics like do you love a girl or do you have any affair, you can do storytelling also. You can go in past also. So I am just telling you, take some questions. Give some time to yourself, half an hour, 1 hour, sit. Ask your family members not to disturb you. Start practice, guys. I'm telling you, if you don't speak, you will never be able to speak. If you just keep on writing, you will be able to write effectively, but you will not be able to speak effectively, I'm telling you guys. Okay, so do you love a girl? Yes, I love a girl. Okay, so what's the name of that girl? Well, her name is blah blah blah. Okay, if you want, you can talk about past also. So when did you meet that girl first time? Well, I met that girl first time in 2012. Okay, so did you give her any gift? Yeah, I gave her a gift. So here I'm asking questions related to past, so I'm using did also. Okay, so how often do you meet her? I mostly meet her whenever I get free. So when do you get free? I mostly get free on Sunday. Okay. So when you meet her, where do you take her? See, when I meet her, I take her wherever she wants to go. Okay. So have you ever taken her to any cinema hall? Yes, I have taken her to cinema hall. Okay, tell me one thing. When you met her first time and when you started talking to her, so did you ask her out on any date? Yeah, I asked her out on date. So where did you go for date? We went to a cinema hall to watch a movie. That was the date. And after that, what did you do? After that, we went to a restaurant. We had some food. Then she went to her house, and I came back to my house. Okay, thank you. So, guys, this is what I wanted to teach you. I don't want to make you feel bored. So there are 10 questions. If you want, you can take the screenshot of these questions. If you want, you can practice these questions, or you can write so many questions related to your thought and whatever topic you want to discuss about. Okay, I have taught you simple present, so my questions are related to do and does. So thank you very much everybody. I hope you must have liked it, enjoyed it. So this is all about this video. See you in another episode. Till then, take care and keep practicing. Thank you guys.